The origin of Edaiken of Uselu. The crown prince of Benin Kingdom is the Edaiken ne Uselu, meaning the Duke of Uselu. The title is held by the crown prince of Benin Kingdom, who is by virtue of traditional rights the heir apparent to the royal throne of Benin Kingdom and a member of the Uzama, the Seven Kingmakers. The commencement of this title is traced to the reign of Oba Eware the Great, who conquered over 200 towns in West Africa. Oba Eware sent Ike, the great warrior, to lead a fight against Owo. He was a fighter who fought many wars successfully. Unfortunately, he knew how to win wars, but never knew how to escape or return from battles. He won the Owo battle and asked his troops to return to Benin with the captives, but he, foolishly in love with a beautiful Owo lady, who quickly capitalized on his weakness. He was tricked to remain in Owo, where he was killed after a tough fight. Koboyuwa, the first son of Ewari, became first Edaiken Nuselu a few months later. Oba Eware's second son was made Ozi Iyowa, the Duke of Iyowa. During the reign of Oba Nosa, a directive was given by the Oba in the 18th century that tribute should be paid by Ute people, a district in Owo, to the Edaiken Nuselu. This continued until the British government came. In Benin tradition, traditional heritage and cultural values, every son of the Oba is traditionally referred to as Uko Prince, and his daughters Uwi Princess, in order to distinguish the eldest son from the rest of the Okoros or princes. He is affiliated Oko. In his adolescence, he was placed under the guardianship of Osua at Oko along Airport Road today. He stayed here until he grows into maturity to live in his own house at Ogboka, Benin Saple Road and Utata Road. When the time is due, he is initiated into the Iwebo society as Uko ni Iwebo by Uwangwe of Benin. Few weeks later, he visits shrines around Benin. He visits Uwe and Ora shrines jointly referred to as Ebo ne Edo. These shrines are Aruo Oto, Ogbe Oto, Alaka, Isiemero, Ogbelaka, Oto, Ni. He is later bestowed the title of Edaiken of Uselu and given a royal ceremonial procession. He performs all rites and sacrifices at various shrines on his way to Uselu, precisely to acquire Edaiken. As soon as he arrives Iya, Ekoha, he performs the rites, and at the boundary between Benin and Uselu, Palace chiefs, having joined him in performing all rites, hands him over to Uselu Palace chiefs, saying, "We hand him over to you safe and sound, and you must reciprocate." After all the rites are accomplished, the royal procession continues to Edaiken Palace or Egwae Edaiken with pomp and ceremony, while the Benin Palace chiefs return to Benin. Edaiken stays few days and return Benin officially and bestowed with a yahin title as Head Palace of the Oba of Benin. After this, he returns to Uselu in a royal procession and continues to preside over the issues and people of Uselu in accordance with the tradition of Benin. Thank you guys. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel.